Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Throwback Thursday using the August 2022 Sweet Sunflower set, and I'm adding in a piece of the Designer Series paper from the Heart and Home collection. It's the one with all the bumblebees on it. That's retired, as is the cinnamon cider. So the elements from the kit, I'm going to use one of the die cuts. I'm going to use the stamp that says for a one-of-a-kind friend, and this is actually what was left over when we did the bonus card and cut out the honeycomb. This is the honeycomb. I just turned it upside down and just used the plain side as opposed to the gold side, because the gold side kind of just disappeared right into the piece. So I took, to adhere this, because the gold side is shiny, I didn't know that my glue would really stick. So I used the adhesive dots from the kit. Those are the larger adhesive dots. I have some smaller adhesive dots that I used. They fit just nicely around the edge. And I've got a smoky slate card base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere what I've already built here, the Heart and Home Designer Series paper cut to 5 1/4 by 4, and then the smoky slate card base. I'm just going to drop that down. I don't want to rub it because I don't want to bend up these little bits of honeycomb. I've also got a piece of pale papaya linen ribbon that is also retired, and I'm just going to kind of crisscross it. This struck me as being very plain on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use my blending brush and I'm going to color it. So I'm just going to color it with the pale papaya. Now the pale papaya is a very subtle color. It doesn't really, you really have to go some to get the color onto whatever you're working with. But already it blends in much better. So let's just keep adding some color. I'm going to stamp the greeting in the cinnamon cider. So there, I think that's probably enough color on there. And then I'm just going to stamp again with the cinnamon cider. And let's stamp away. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Okay, so we're just going to pop this down. I'm sorry, I'm gonna get my hair in the frame while I line this up. There we go. And again, that's the cinnamon cider. It is retired. So what I want to do is I want to pop that down like that. I'm going to dimensionalize it. I need to figure out how I'm going to do my ribbon in the back. I think I'm just going to do one of those simple kind of zigzaggy back and forth ones, which means I'm just going to put a small run of adhesive, and then I'm going to just loop this back and forth like so. And then I'll dimensionalize this and pop it down on top like that. So I will grab my dimensionals. These again are from the kit. So you don't have to use the side of the paper that they give you. This didn't go on here because of the crushed curry. So I turned it over and I colored it the way I needed it to color it using my blends. So I'm just going to pop this down like that, and there we go. If you have bling, the brushed metallic dots might look good on this. Let me just get my bin out. Oh yes, there's some, let's use those ones. There are some copper ones here that might look quite nice on it. So just brighten it up that little bit, and we can probably pop one there and one over here, and then one down here. Oh, that really brightens it up a little bit. So there we go. There is our Throwback Thursday card using elements from the August 2022 Sweet Sunflower set, combined with the Retired Cinnamon Cider and the Retired Heart and Home Designer Series paper. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for the last of the alternate videos.